I'm seeing you have the business grace. You have the call upon your life. I'm seeing you are doing some ministry in the church. But I am also seeing the grace of business upon your life. I'm seeing you moving step forward in the business. Can you confirm me? Can you tell me? Because what I'm seeing you moving forward. But you are moving forward in the business. Dear Sister Cindy, I'm seeing you ushering in the church like you are called in the ministry. But I am seeing you moving ahead. Jesus, 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 Jesus. God bless you, dear brother Tanveer Veera. Thank you so much for watching. Lam prade prashod reken thari nangante braku shehete. Veluku sahangragi shehete. Kara menga guru go shahakati prayana.